Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back.
This is Lois.
This is Shan.
We're in Lois' room right now.
Yep.
We checked into our hotel yesterday, and
I had like a terrible nightmare. So I had Shan's over to stay with me.
yeah. Oh, actually, we should do a room tour.
Room tour.
Room tour for our guys.
Okay.
All right. Stepping into the room, we have a washroom. It's quite big. Here, dryer, some napkins, a sink, towels, toilet paper, a toilet, and a very standard sized bathtub.
And then this is the closet right here. My clothes.
Yes,
My
very
jacket.
nice. The bed.
King size bed.
The main focus of this room. Very nice. Lamps on either side. And then
The view.
the view from the 17th floor of Stratosphere. Can't really see anything. It's great. There's a TV here.
But there's no freezer here.
And the mirror. Some restaurant guys. And you can call room service here. Chairs and desks. And there's another room. It's like a little sitting area, I guess. And there's like a coffee maker. Let's turn on the lights. Wow, she got water. $5 each?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
For just water.
Yeah, but there's...
Do you want coffee? I can make you coffee.
That's fine. How much are these? Are these free?
I think these are free.
So yeah, this is
Another view.
very similar to what we just saw. Yeah.
Like a huge window.
Yeah, so how long are we staying here, Lois?
3 nights.
Okay, and then where are we going after?
We're going back to Toronto.
Finally.
Finally, after 14 days.
Alright, that is
5
the
days.
end of our tour.
A room tour.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed our little thing.
I hope this video could give you like a
Insight on
Of-
Stratosphere rooms.
whether you wanted to be here.
Probably not.
Not.
But okay, I think this is one of our last videos.
Yeah,
We're
for
not-
this trip
Yeah, we're not doing anything.
in Toronto.
We're not doing anything tomorrow.
We're having spa tomorrow.
And we are still picking out gifts for our friends.
Please comment in the comment section whether we should give them a $5 chip or a mug. A Las Vegas mug. Starbucks.
Yeah.
If our friends saw this video, then they would be like, oh, there was like a Starbucks mug. That was an option.
Yeah, we'll see what we're giving them. But anyways, I guess the next time you guys see us, maybe in the airport or transferring in Chicago.
To vlog in Chicago.
Yeah, it was a great experience sharing our trip with you guys. 好废口. Anyways. Okay, anyways. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.